Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today we have, it's the ITC deals. The first day, I think it seems like the first day of the ITC deals. First day of the ITC deals. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and or hyping. And let's jump right in. Inside Track Club, 7-day super deals, February 20th to the 26th. See all deals. Can't click on it. This was on Reddit. And it shows what I believe is the first day. So we'll just kind of peruse it, and then we'll dive into this first day. We'll look over what's believed to be the rest of the deals. But here we have it, the Icon Alert, 14-piece anti-slip grip professional combination wrench set, $65. 50% off if you don't have some wrenches. Normally $130, $65. Crazy deal. $80 for the Badland Apex 5500 UTV long drum winch with synthetic rope. $190, normally $269.99, save $80. We'll check the price history for all of these to see if they actually are a real deal or not. Then we have $300 off the Vulcan Pro TIG 205 industrial welder, 120/240 volt input, $900. Normally $1,200, $300 off. That's 25%. And then $50 off the Icon half-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound professional click torque wrench, $100, 33% off. So pretty close to as good as, well, I think torque wrenches were at one point we're at 40% off. I feel like Badland gets close to that sometimes. 50% off. I have not seen 50% off, so the price history will be huge on that one. 25% off. I feel like we've been there for the welders. But anyways, that's day one. We will just go in to read these through before we do a deep dive on day one, but 7-day ITC exclusive deals, the 20th through the 26th. So starting tomorrow, the 1 week only ITC items include Icon, we just went over, combination wrench set, the Pro TIG, we went over, Badland Apex, winch, Icon half-inch torque wrench. Then we go into the Chief Professional air hammer chisel set. Now the price deductions aren't here, but this is most likely, no reason to believe this is not accurate because the first four are. Chief Professional air hammer chisel set, 6-piece, the Bauer 3/16" to 1 3/8 inch step drill bits, Hallmaster 700-pound capacity, ratcheting tie downs, Spectrum premium gravity feed air spray gun. I feel like they started off huge and they're kind of going downhill. The Spectrum gun with side fan control, Icon 3/4 inch drive, 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. So another Icon torque wrench. So they could be ending it strong. An Icon 12-inch S-jaw quick adjust pliers wrench. And those allegedly are the deals. But if they have 4 deals day one, I can't imagine they're not going to add some extra deals to this. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But this is day one, 7 days of super deals. So I feel like that list is a little bit short. What do the HARBROs think? But let's go ahead. Don't forget 20% off. Started today for ITC, going on through the weekend for your Predator generator days. They're calling it here the generator days. But let's look at the first one, Icon. Anti-slip professional metric combination wrench set, 14-piece, normally $130, and the anti-slip, we'll zoom in here, precision machine for perfect fit on all fasteners, giving you maximum torque without slippage. And you can see the little ridges in the wrench, and then a little bit different design than your standard classic anti-slip open end for extra gripping power. And that's what the anti-slip grip professional metric combination wrench sets are. I think the HARBROs do say, like, these are some mean wrenches. Like, if you're trying to wrench some stubborn nuts or bolts, these could grind into them. So these are definitely extra grippy, extra tighter. But if you're just doing regular work, sometimes the regular wrenches will do. But just heads up from what the HARBROs are saying. I'm sure the HARBROs will correct me or give their feedback in the comments. This is SAE and metric. Both are 14-piece. Of course, these have lifetime warranty, and they're a great wrench set. For 50% off, $130 on the website, down to $65. So no funny business there, but let's look at the funny business on the price tracker. So it does show that these went down to $69.99. Nice, back in August of 2024. So over a year ago, the good old days. And it does look like it was a regular price and an ITC coupon right around the same time. So that's super interesting. Might have lined up with a separate parking lot sale or separate deal for it to be ITC. But outside of those unicorn days, Looks like there was $100 back in 2023. Is down to 90 bucks, but never have I ever seen them go down to 65 bucks. So if you don't have a good wrench set, this is the time to get it. Tomorrow, most likely tomorrow, they want you to join February 20th. This is why you're become a HARBRO, so you can get these deals first. So you can be ready for tomorrow. Icon wrenches, great deal. Next, Badland Apex 5,500 pound UTV long drum winch with synthetic rope, $270 normally. This is the Apex. It is the high end of the Badland brand. There is a ZXR, but Apex is where it's at if you want the most premium Badland winch. $270, built for the most extreme conditions, ideal use for your UTV. And let's look at the price history. Well, first let's look at the discount. It's going to be $80 off. And at $80 off of $270, it's getting it almost 30%. So decent deal. I feel like we have seen the Badland for sure at 30%. Am I tripping, HARBROs? 30%. Is this one of the ones that's gone up to 40%? But 30% is great with $80 off. But let's just verify with the price history. So the price has gone up, looks like recently, back in December. This past December, so about 2 months ago, it went up to $270. It had been at $260 for a while, so it's gone up $10. Deal-wise, coupons at $240 back last year in September, and then a couple of ITC deals at $230 last Black Friday, roughly. And that's the lowest it's been, $230 according to the tracker. But here we are, getting it for $190. So seems like a super solid deal. Next, let's look at the Vulcan Pro TIG 205 industrial welder with 12240 volt Pro TIG industrial welder. So this is the better, bestest line of Harbor Freight. $1,200, $300 off is 25% off. Not a bad deal, really good deal. Combines intuitive setup with advanced control for professional results. Again, $1,200. It's showing it's going to be $300 off. We don't need to do the math. That's 25% off. But let's look at the price history. It does show that in April of last year, it went up to $1,200. It had been down to $1,100, so it increased a good amount. $100 increase, though it had increased and they dropped it in price. ITC deals had been as low as $1,000 back in July of last year. And then in January of last year, it was down to $989. The lowest deals it's been was back in November 2021 at $980. But of course, $300 off, we're going to get down to $900 even. So again, one of the better deals for this Vulcan Pro TIG industrial welder outside of those all-encompassing 30 to 40% off all welders, which I do believe have happened. And then last but not least, the Icon half-inch drive 50 to 250 foot-pound professional torque wrench at $150. Professional torque wrench delivers precise accuracy for perfect bolt down. Again, $150. Beautiful case, beautiful Icon torque wrench. Click torque wrench lifetime warranty. $150 normally. It's gonna be $50 off. And again, we don't need to do the math. That's 33% off. Now, these have been at 40%. Don't need a good, oh, I mean, maybe I should double check it, but I'm pretty sure they've been 40% off. So 33% off is already ballpark. Great deal. Tomato between the 7%. $100, but let's just look to see what the tracker tells us. Again, the tracker doesn't really track all-encompassing deals like parking lot 40% off of anything, where it's a whole group of tools. It doesn't track those. It does track ITC, super coupons, and regular price sales. So anyways, not good to see. Back in November, it went up in price to $150, and it went up to $150 from $140. There was back in June of last year, it got down to $120 ITC and regular price. Looks back in the bygone days, 2021, when we weren't allowed to go out, it got down to $110. But outside of that 40% off, $110 is as low as it's been, and it's going to be down to $99.99. So an excellent deal. Icon alert, half-inch drive, 50 to 250 foot-pound professional torque wrench. 1 day only, 7 days of super deals. They did do this last year. What do the HARBROs think? What do the HARBROs think? 7 days of super deals. We got generator days going on. we got the rest of the deals, which seems like a short list. If you're asking me, I think it should be a longer list. It probably will be a longer list, but I'll leave it at that. What are the HARBROs going to pick up? Let me know in the comments. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.